Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading video. Today I'll talk about euro-dollar and also a recap of two trades, one on Bitcoin and the second one on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar. But before that, just a quick note that the special Easter sale, which I'm running on my website, will be ending tomorrow. What the sale is all about is that I offer my best indicator and educational courses for a discounted price. If you go to this page where it says browse courses and scroll down a bit, then it is in here. This is a combo of my most popular indicator and educational packs. It's the Elite pack plus the Oracle pack. As you can see, currently it is discounted to $497. Right here, there's more info about those packs. This is the Oracle pack. Above it, this is the Elite pack. And at the bottom of this page, you can get a combo of those two packs for a hugely discounted price, but only until tomorrow. All right, so that's about that. Let me now switch over to the chart and talk about the trading idea on the euro dollar. So here we are. This is the euro dollar 30-minute time frame. Right now, there's macro news. So this candle is a macro news candle, up and down. But what I want to talk about in here are those two levels. Let me start with the lower level, this one at 1.0928. This is easier to explain. This one is based on volume profile setup, which I call the volume accumulation setup. And with this setup, what you want to see is a rotation with heavy volumes accumulated within the rotation. You can see the volumes if you use volume profile right here. So the next thing that you want to see is strong trend activity starting from the rotation, like in here. In this case, there was a strong buying activity, which is telling us that those heavy volumes and this activity here was strong buyers. So this is a super important zone for buyers, and those buyers are likely to defend this zone. That's why I'm saying that this should work as a strong support at 1.0928. This is the beginning of that heavy volume zone, and when the price reaches this zone, there should be a reaction. Now, additionally to this volume profile setup, what I also like about this level is if I extend it a bit, you can see that the price was reacting to that level in the past very nicely here and here, which means that in the past the level worked as a resistance. Now, when the price blew past that resistance, it became a support, right? That's what happens when a resistance gets breached. So this is a price action setup that confirms our volume profile setup. It's a combo of two setups that is saying that this should work as a strong level and the price should bounce off it. So that's for this support. The next one, the higher one, is at 1.0989, and this one is a bit tricky. The thing is that if you look at volume profile, then the beginning of the heavy volume zone is in here. But the reason I placed the level in here is that I'm more interested in volumes accumulated within this little rotation before this aggressive buying activity. And if I move the profile like this, then it shows that the heaviest volumes are here, and this is the beginning of that heavy volume zone. Additionally to that, if you look at first deviation of VWAP, that's the gray line in here, it's very close to that level. And the first deviation of VWAP adds strength to that level. All right, so that's why I prefer placing that support in here instead of placing it in here. Another reason is that the beginning of that aggressive buying activity is from this place or from this place, but not from here, right? So those are the reasons why I prefer this lower support over this higher one. All right. So those are currently the strong supports on the euro. If the price continues to go higher from this area and manages to stay there for a while, then this volume cluster could also prove to be a strong support. It is around 1.1020, but still it is very soon, and also this is post macro volatility, so I can't really tell now if this is going to work as a support or no, so we need to wait. As I was saying, if there's more price action above that support, which would mean that the market accepted higher prices as a fair value, then this support would become viable to trade and probability of a reaction would be significantly higher. All right, so that's my take on the euro. Now what I wanted to talk about next is trade on Bitcoin from prediction from Monday. So what you see before you, that's the TradingView platform, and this is the prediction on Bitcoin. This was the support that got hit yesterday. This is how it played out, this reaction. So I hope you guys are trading this one. Another reaction occurred on the New Zealand dollar, US dollar, which was in here. Also prediction which I sent you on Monday. Unfortunately, the price tested that level a little bit sooner. It was 2 pips before the level. This was the level right here. This was the reaction. The level was at 0.6244, but the price turned at 62.42, which means 2 pips sooner. And that was a huge reaction, so afterwards I discarded the level. Later on there was just a small reaction to that level, but I wasn't trading that because there already was a very strong reaction very close to that level. Alright, so that's for that little recap, and also that's for this video. So thanks for watching, I hope you found it useful. Don't forget about the sale which I'm running only until tomorrow, so if you want a combo of my best educational and indicator packs for the lowest price ever, actually I've never offered this cheaper than this, then don't wait too long as the sale is going to end tomorrow. Alright, so again, thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. So until then, happy trading.